So for all the new people who have joined us right now, let me just repeat the topic for you. We are going to talk about how to get maximum benefits out of the live sessions that you guys are conducting with various groups and various Facebook pages. So basically, how can we generate quality leads, or how can we the benefits that are that come along with video marketing, how can we get those to the maximum? So guys, one thing is very clear, that social media marketing is inevitable now. So video marketing is again an integral part of it. But what we confuse at times with video marketing is that we think that we just have to keep making videos. We'll keep making videos and we will keep posting it, and that is video marketing. That is not video marketing. Hi Aparna, how are you? So what we generally, the trend that is going on is keep producing videos and keep doing lots of live sessions, keep just posting them, keep posting them and posting them. No, we have to understand the dynamics behind it. We have to understand how video marketing helps us. So video marketing just doesn't comprise of, hi Priyanka, how's the group going? You're such an inspiration. Thank you so much, Priyanka. Thank you very much. So I was talking about understanding the dynamics behind video marketing. Everybody is going to tell you, and everybody is telling you, videos banate hain, videos banao, videos dalo, ye karo, wo karo. So we definitely do have to do that. Hi Aditi. But we also have to understand how these videos are going to help us, how these live sessions are going to help us. ये समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है that these sessions that we are conducting, they give us maximum benefit, they yield maximum results. Otherwise, what is going to happen is we are simply producing content and we rarely have any viewers with us. So हम videos तो बनाए जा रहे हैं, but वो videos देखने के लिए कोई नहीं है. All of you guys, you are experts in your own fields. You are experts in what you do. Chahe aap, hi mama, how are you feeling now? So that's my mom here for cheering me, and she's not feeling well since morning, but still she's here with me. Thank you, mama. Hi Shreya, how are you? Hi Meena, how are you doing? Okay, so most of us, I was saying that most of us are experts in, hi Gautami, hi Sonia. So most of us are experts in, thank you so much Gautami. We are experts in our own field, but where we lack is how to market ourselves. So we kind of pick things from here and there, that ye karna chahiye, wo karna chahiye, but ऐसे ही हमने सुना कि वीडियो मार्केटिंग जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा आजकल है अच्छी, और हमें वीडियो मार्केटिंग करनी चाहिए अपने पेज के लिए, बट उसको हम मैक्सिमम यूज़ कैसे करें, हाउ टू यूज़ इट मैक्सिमम, थैंक यू मीना, टू आवर बेनिफिट, सो दैट जो हमारा एक्चुअल कोर बिजनेस है दैट ग्रोज. हाय निधि. So these are the points that I'm going to discuss, even though what I personally feel is that every business should have their own strategy to tap the potential, but I'm going to discuss general points that apply to all the businesses today. So the latest trend, I was talking about the latest trend. What we are doing is we are going live everywhere. Hi Isha, hi Sur, hi Smriti, hi Sonia, I'm good, how are you doing? So we are going live everywhere, especially service providers, if I may say service providers. We are going live in every group, any page that invites us. We are doing videos for everybody. But are we thinking that are we getting the maximum return of this video content that we are producing? हम इतनी videos कर तो रहे हैं, लेकिन क्या इसका result हम वापस ले पा रहे हैं? ऐसा तो नहीं that this hard work is going down the drain, because that should not happen. So we are just dependent on that momentary high. हमें एक बहुत अच्छा सा feeling मिलता है that we are going live, so many people are watching us, they're leaving comments for us, they're cheering for us, which is amazing guys, which is great. But end of the day, business matters. End of the day, we have to see whether these live sessions are helping us or not. Are we getting visibility from it? Are we getting engagement from it? Are we able to generate some leads out of it or not? So that is how we are going to try to analyze the video marketing today. So So now let's see some general instructions, even though I have a lot of points to share with you. So once again, when I was preparing for this session, I had so many pointers prepared for you. So I'm just going to try to mention all the important ones for you. Okay, so first thing is, guys, all the experts, you should be very careful about which group, which page you are conducting a live session with. So it's completely fine for the first time to hi Chavi, thank you so much. So it is completely fine to go live in a new group and understand what kind of audience is there. But what I suggest is, before you go live, speak to the admin, speak to the page admin, speak to the group admin. If it is a group, talk to the admin. If it is a page, talk to the admin. Ask them, try to get to know what kind of people you're going to see in that group. Then then decide whether it is right for you to do a live session on that page or in that group or not, because that is going to give you an insight about what kind of knowledge or what kind of content you have to share that produces value or that gives value to to the group members, and also you're able to establish yourself as an expert. Then it is completely fine to not go live with a page or with a group that doesn't have your lookalike target audience. So what is lookalike target audience? Target audience, by now you all understand, I hope, that target audience is someone who are your ideal clients, who are your prospective clients. So lookalike target audience is people who are similar to this sector of people, this section of people, but you probably, I'm saying lookalike here in terms of group because you are not very well aware about what kind of audience is there in the group as of now. So talk to the admins and talk to them, understand what they are expecting out of this session, because it is very important to be on the same page with the admin. ऐसा ना हो वो कोई और सेशन वो समझ रहे हो, आप कुछ और तरह का कंटेंट शेयर करेंगे और आपके दिमाग में कुछ और तरीके का कंटेंट हो. So it is always advisable to discuss with them. Then always try to level out with them how many shout outs they're going to give to you. I have seen this a lot of times that experts, they put in their heart and soul into a session, but they do not get shout outs. So what are shout outs? Basically, the group admin or the page admin should inform their audience that this expert is going to do a live on our page or in our group, and this is her her own Facebook page, and you should try and visit the page. So basically, it is the admin's job to drive traffic from their source to your page, which is the main benefit of video marketing or benefit of live session, that you are able to catch hold of a very big audience. You are able to drive that audience onto your page where your actual business takes place, which is your face for your business on Facebook. So talk to the admins and speak to them before the session that what are your plans, आप कब अपना creative आप release करते हैं, या आप मुझे shout outs कब देंगे, during the session आप देंगे कि नहीं देंगे. So if you have seen sessions on Mrs. Diva, what I always try to do is keep sending in messages during the live session, also encouraging people to go and visit our experts page. So I personally feel that this is how it should be done, so that the expert also gets that chance कि उनका पेज जो है वो बाकी ऑडियंस एक्चुअली में जाके विजिट करे. Then this is something that I have seen, and a few people have come back also. Thank you, Harshada. So a few people, because I keep speaking to a lot of you keep telling me कि मैम इनके साथ live session किया था, they did not even mention our page details. So if there are any admins watching this video, please admins try and understand that it is very important for us to give these shout outs. अगर आप hi Papa, how are you? Okay, so if these we have to give this chance to them. We have to ask our group members to go and check out the pages of these experts, because this is why we conduct these live sessions. We want to help these experts in growing their own businesses. I understand that all Facebook groups also have their own business model, which of course is great, and I totally understand that also, and I'm going to come on to some directions for admins also just after I complete with the experts. But it is very important for admins to understand that it is our responsibility that an expert who comes on to our platform. Hi Purva. Hi Namrata. Oh, okay. So Namrata is saying informative. Oh, thank you so much, Namrata. And thank you, Sugna. Thank you so much. Right. So it is important for us to send the audience from our group onto the pages of these experts. Then one very important reason for this is that people have very short memory, especially on social media, life of any content. So even if it is a video, even if it is a picture, on Facebook, because there is so much influx of information, बहुत सारी वीडियोस चल रही हैं, बहुत सारी वीडियोस हो रही हैं, हर वीडियो का जो हर कंटेंट का जो लाइफ है that is very short, so people keep forgetting. Hi Sakshi, how are you? So people keep forgetting. That is why it becomes our responsibility as an admin of a page or a group. Thank you, Sakshi. Yeah, it becomes our responsibility that these experts who are putting their heart and soul in these sessions, for the sessions that they are conducting for our groups, for our audience, they should get that chance, that visibility, that engagement, and we should try to keep messaging our during the live session. It's completely fine if you keep messaging that please visit the experts page, please visit the experts page. Before the session, try to post the creatives at least 2-3 times. So even if you're doing it a day before, if you do 2-3 times at different time intervals, you would definitely see that the experts page is receiving a lot of traffic, and that's what we should try to do from our side. Thank you, Purva. Hi Harpreet. Right, so just go that a little bit extra mile for the experts and just try to help them a bit. Then of course, experts, what you have to do, you have to share it from your side. So I'll give you one very good example. Sugna did a live session on jewelry. So one topic that I think we covered for the first time. So she shared tips for how to take care of your jewelry. And you guys should totally go out and check her, check her page. So Sugna, you write the page link in the comment section and let everybody check that out. Okay, so what Sugna did was she shared from her own side a lot about the live session that she was about to conduct on Mrs. Diva, which totally worked to to the maximum. It gave her huge results. Her live session was full of people. Everybody came in to support her, everybody was commenting, and the visibility increased. So I was able to send in a lot of traffic also. She was also herself able to generate a lot of traffic for her page, which is the right way to do it. So I know that she was very excited and she even made a teaser video for it. It's great if you guys can do it, but if not, at least try to share it from your side, which is of course very important. Then sometimes when you're sharing on from your profile that I'll be going live in this group or I'll be going live on this page, tag your friends who you know that they're going to support you. So Ritu does it, and it is a very good practice. She herself, let me tell you, she herself supports each and every member, and that is why when she goes live, everybody wants to stand up for her. So everybody wants to support her, which is something that it creates a phenomenal effect, guys. So understand that if there is a live session and at least 20-25 people or friends of your own turn up, they start commenting, do you understand how great that video becomes? So it creates that ripple kind of effect. It creates that snowball effect. कि आप आई होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज स्नोबॉल इफेक्ट, कि वो एक एवलांच कब आता है, छोटा 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 करके बड़ा पूरा स्नो बन गया. दैट इज हाउ सोशल मीडिया वर्क्स, कि हर बंदा एक एक कॉमेंट कर रहा है एंड इट ब्लोज अप. सो दैट्स समथिंग विच यू शुड try to follow. Okay, now it's a very tricky thing when you go live in a private group. So I have mentioned this earlier also, that if you are an expert and you are going live in a video in a private group, you cannot share that video. That video cannot be, it won't be reflected in your on your page. So this is one of the reasons why we try to go live with the Mrs. Diva's page, unless of course it is an exclusive video for our members. So it's completely fine also that if you're going in groups that live in groups, but again, once again, talk to the admin. Creating this, you are unless they are actively supporting you, speak to them, because some people come back and say कि मैम जो admins है उन्होंने support ही नहीं किया, अपना वो हो रहा था, live हो रहा था, so they were very excited but they did not mention my page name even once. So that's not right. That's not right. Speak to them. I believe that most of the admins, I have personally not interacted with a lot, but I understand कि जो इतने सारे लोगों को संभाल रहे होते हैं, usually they are fair and reasonable people, but you have to talk to them. उनसे अपनी बात रखिए and then see what are they going to answer. So this is something that is very important. Talk to them जब आप किसी प्राइवेट ग्रुप में लाइव जा रहे हैं, that how are they going to support you, कितने शाउट आउट्स आपको मिलेंगे, या are they going to share that creative, उस दिन वो शेयर करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे. Okay, so again we have talked about how admins must drive the traffic to your page, which is actually the a sense of live sessions. So Ritu is saying, yes, I did previously doing in particular groups, but not much benefit to me. Yes, I understand Ritu. So what I feel is that it becomes kind of the admin's responsibility कि थोड़ा सा support experts को दें, because all the experts I feel सब अपने अपने काम में अपने अपने sessions के लिए बहुत preparation करते होंगे. I understand it, क्योंकि मैं whenever I am doing the session, I know that I go crazy. I want to share everything. Hi Ravina, how are you doing? Okay, then guys, one very important thing for all the experts, whenever you are about to go live on any platform, try to stay active on that platform for at least 2-3 days before the live and after the live session. So I'm not saying कि आप बिल्कुल सब कुछ काम धाम छोड़ के just sit down with your phone और आप उसी platform पे ही लगे रहिए. No. Hi Malti, how are you feeling now? No, but generally try to be a little bit more responsive to that, towards that group or towards that Amos is saying, please tell how does one make training sessions better and what tools. So Amos, you'll have to connect with me personally for this to understand this thing. I'm going to share the packages with you, because this topic is totally separate from what we are discussing today. Okay, so try to stay active whenever you are conducting these live sessions. Try to stay active on that platform or on that in that group for at least 2-3 days before conducting the live session, or 2-3 days after you want to conduct that live session, because it kind of brings your name up. People start remembering your name, so it is like top of the mind recall value. My son just saw you and said, very good, keep going. Oh, thank you, Nidhi. Please say thank you to him from my side. Thank you so much. Okay. All right. So, so this is something that you should try to do. Then try to respond to all the comments. So when you are done with the live session, you have ended it, then go back to that video, respond to the comments, say at least write thank you, give yourself the page, your page link, आप खुद उस पे दीजिए, invite people and encourage them to check out your own page. And if possible, always acknowledge the page admin or group admin by sharing some special offers for that particular group. So what I mean to say over here is, if you go live with a group for the first time, for example, or for the second time, once you have gone live and you know how the group has responded, what you should do next time is speak to the admin and tell her that I want to give this special offer to your group members. So it piques her interest also. She will understand that you are so serious about the group members, and I'm sure she's going to go that extra mile and help you also. Then keep in mind, these live sessions guys, they might not bring that business directly. So ऐसा नहीं होगा, हम लोग क्या सोचते हैं, कई बार लाइव सेशन कर लिया हमने, अब हमें एकदम से ऑर्डर्स आने स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे, या हमें हमारा कोचिंग का काम है, सो विल स्टार्ट स्ट्रेट अवे स्टार्ट गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ कॉल्स फ्रॉम द पीपल. बट that rarely happens guys. It is always built over a period of time, gradually. So like I keep on taking Ritu's example because she has been doing some great things, and that is what you guys should also try to follow. That keep doing your work, at least keep coming online, keep going keep going live gradually, and try to generate curiosity about your work. So what we do is, we probably just share and we don't persuade and encourage others to come to our page and check out our work. So it becomes important for us to share with these people that this is something that I'm doing, but I'm doing a lot more also. So that's how you should ask them or give them some hints that next time I'm going to share about this thing, but that live is going to be on my page. How about do you guys want to know about this topic? Come on to my page and I have shared detailed information there. So guys, I'm going to read all your comments later on, and I'm going to answer all of them. Right. So okay, one thing guys, at times I see some people go very crazy with the live sessions. So they are coming live every day in every group. This is not sustainable guys. Why? Because you will fall short of content. आप क्वालिटी कंटेंट नहीं डेवलप कर पाओगे अगर आप हर सेकेंड डे, हर सेकेंड रोज किसी ना किसी ग्रुप में आप लाइव जाने लगोगे तो. सो exposure is important, but there has to be a balance between exposure and over exposure. So keep that thing in mind. Quality deteriorate नहीं करना है work की. So what we do not want to do at all is go bad on the quality of the content that we are producing. वो सबसे गलत हो जाएगा. So just be very careful about it. Okay, so next point is, just don't depend on the live sessions for generating business. We have to understand that video marketing is a part of the marketing. It's not the only marketing strategy that we have. It's a part of the marketing strategy, business plan that we have developed, and it is there to support the overall marketing plan, the overall business plan that we have, which is very important to remember. Okay. Then keeping your own page active is also very important. हम क्या करते हैं, हम लाइव सेशन तो कर लेते हैं, बट अपने पेज पे अपडेट्स नहीं होते. So you tell me one thing, people who come on to your page after your live session, what are they gonna see there? Right? So what you should do, generally एक तो आप पेज पे एक्टिव रहना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, विच आई कीप टेलिंग एवरी वन ऑफ यू कि एटलीस्ट एक अपडेट तो डालो पेज पे रोज का, शेड्यूल द पोस्ट, कुछ भी करो, बट एटलीस्ट कोशिश करो एक तो जाए. But if you're not doing that, then especially when your live session is about to come, or अभी अगर आपने किया हो, stay very active on your page and share valuable information. अपने field से related, अपने niche से related, अपने live session से related, try to add on more information. Try to give more interactive information. कुछ engaging post डालिए उसके लिए, कुछ अच्छी information आप share कीजिए, because एक expectation बन जाता है whenever we watch a live session. Then we start seeing that expert as a person who is expert in that niche, and when we go to their page we kind of expect something out of it. हमें as a viewer हमें सोचने लगते हैं कि हाँ, पेज देखते हैं लगता है कुछ बहुत बढ़िया धमाकेदार सा मिलेगा. अब वो अगर नहीं मिला तो फिर वो जो एक्सपेक्टेशंस है वो वहीं खत्म हो जाती है, एंड पीपल दे leave the page without liking it. So that is something that we don't want. If someone has come onto our page, we ideally want them to stay, to interact, to like the page, and to interact with the content also. So Anjuji, don't worry, you can go back and watch the whole session also. It is going to be here only. Okay, so that is how we fulfill our clients' expectation, or expectation of the people who have who start to see us during our live sessions. Okay, I have one very important question, guys. Why everybody wants to do live sessions on Zoom? If it is a free session, you have your own page, you do not want to charge for it, then why do you want to do a session on Zoom? Just because everybody else is doing? Nahi. Why do we want people to deviate from our Facebook page? That is where we are doing our business. That is where we are putting our products, our services. Hi Neha, how are you? Thank you Priyanka. Right? So don't just go crazy over getting doing a webinar on Zoom. So I actually ask, thank you Neha, I actually ask when someone tells me कि हमें Zoom पे करना है webinar. The question is क्यों करना है? If it is free, अगर आप free ही कर रहे हैं, if it is a paid webinar, then I totally understand कि आप एक private webinar करना चाहते हैं, आपने charge किया है, which makes sense. But if it is a free webinar, why don't you want people to come onto your page? Why do you want to take them on some other platform? Zoom पे ना तो आपकी website वहाँ पे दिख रही है, ना तो आपका page वहाँ दिख रहा है, आपका बाकी content वहाँ नहीं दिख रहा. Then why go crazy on Zoom? For Zoom? So if you are not doing that, if you're not doing a paid session, try to stick to Facebook, right? And similarly for YouTube. So I'm seeing YouTubers want to conduct live sessions on Zoom. Why do you want to conduct live session, free live sessions on Zoom? क्यों करना है? Don't do that, guys. Don't do that mistake. Thank you Dr. Kanika. Right? So okay, so next point is, if anyone asks you a question during the live session and you are unable to answer it, one thing is you're going to go back to the session and answer it for them. Second thing is, notice, is that topic or that question very important that you think can benefit other people also? Then make a whole post about it on your page and give credits to that client or give credits to that person. Mention, tag them, say thank you for asking this question. So it's just recognizing. You make your people feel special. So that's you want them to feel. You want them to feel that they are special for you and you are valuing them. So they took out time to watch your session and it is important to acknowledge it. So if you are doing that way, then it's great. Hey Niva, how are you? If you're doing it, then it's great. But if not, you can start doing this practice. So go onto your page, make a post and tag these people. And try to tag some members whenever you are sharing something. Try to tag some members who are interested in your content genuinely. At times what we do is we tag a lot of people and people start getting pissed off. No, we don't have to do that. What is ideal to do is, अगर आप एक पोस्ट बना रहे हैं, so tag 20-25 people in one go. Next time tag another 20-25 people and next time tag other 20-25 set of people. So everybody has minimum 500 to 600 friends in their friend list, and these days I'm seeing a lot of people are friending people also. Completely fine. If you want to do that, it's completely fine. But 20-25 लोग टैग करने से, और अगर आप उनको दोबारा 2 महीने बाद टैग करोगे, they will not get angry at you. So that is the problem with tagging. अगर आप same set of people को बार बार टैग करते रहोगे, if you keep tagging them all the time, they're going to get pissed off. But if you change it, if you change the people who you are tagging, then it will be completely fine. Okay, so one thing, guys, always respect the page admins and the group admins who are allowing you to use their platform to go live. It is very important. So simply because they have put in huge effort to create that platform for you all, to create or to bring in so many people at one place. So try to acknowledge this thing. Try to understand that yes, that person has also worked hard. It really goes both ways. So I have been on both sides of the table and I understand how it feels. I came across some experts who take these platforms for granted, who think that they are doing a favor to the page admin or towards the group admins? No, simply because अगर आपके पास काम होता इतना ज़्यादा कि आपको ज़रूरत नहीं होती तो आप नहीं आते लाइव करने. So acknowledge that group admin or that page admin. I know a lot of admins are also watching this session. So guys, understand they have worked very, very hard in building these platforms. At least you could do is the least, the minimum you could do is acknowledge it and respect it. Of course, if there could be difference of opinion everywhere, and that's completely fine. It's completely fine, but that doesn't mean that you can take away that credit of that person that they have put in so much hard work by saying that I'm also giving you content. If you are giving content, they are giving you the platform. सिर्फ content किसी काम का नहीं है. आपको buyer भी चाहिए, आपको listener भी चाहिए, आपको target audience चाहिए ही चाहिए. So let's try to recognize this thing, and don't think I'm not going to come on admins also. So admins, I'm also going to come on you. So be very careful, and ask the admin, ask them कि अगर कोई instructions है तो please send it to me. If there is something that you want me to say or you don't want me to say, please let me know. So otherwise, if you share something that is not in tandem with their values or the values on which the group is built on, it becomes a little bit disrespectful towards, hi Pooja, how are you, towards the platform and towards the expert, towards that admin also. Then don't make any announcements from your own side that you're going to come live on the platform unless you have permission from the admin. It is very unprofessional, guys. If you make an announcement yourself, it is going to put off the admin and it doesn't look professional at all. It is their platform. Seek permission first. Then prepare. I have seen, some time back I was watching a live session and I could make out that a fresher is doing that live session. It is completely fine to start doing a live session with someone else, but at least prepare for it. आप उसके लिए तैयारी तो कर सकते हैं. Write down, make your notes. That's very important. Freshers को chance देना is a very big thing. Not everybody wants to do that. But if someone is doing that, at least let's respect them and be prepared for the session. So write down your points, do your research, talk to people, talk to the expert, talk to the admin what they want or what they are expecting out of this session, and prepare yourself. Then try to this is very important, try to follow a schedule. So what is happening is experts keep on coming live with various groups, various pages. आप दूसरों के साथ live जाते हैं, but इस सब में आप अपने page को भूलते जा रहे हैं. What you should do is आप अपना एक live session आप group पे कीजिए या किसी और के page पे कीजिए, and do next live session on your own page. Hi Neha, thank you so much. Great to have you here. Okay, so basically what you have to do is do a basic session in a group and then do an advanced topic on your own page. What happens is आप audience filter out कर लेते हो ऐसे, because a group comprises of a varied audience. काफी type के लोग हैं. आप announce कर दो, if possible speak to the admin first again that can I announce that I'm going to do an advanced session on on my own page. So if they allow you, tell the audience that this is the basic session, but if you want advanced, I'm going to come up with another advanced session on my own page. Please like my page and you can also watch that session. Thank you, Pooja. Okay, so that's how you draw out interested people on your page. इससे आपको वो interested वाली audience मिलेगी who are genuinely interested in your work. So that's how you can easily आप filter out कर सकते हो लोगों को. Okay, and one more thing guys, don't think कि service providers ही सिर्फ live जा सकते हैं, retailers या sellers live नहीं जा सकते. Retailers and sellers and resellers, they can also go live. You just have to find out what you want to go live about, share your story, share your brand story, sell your products, but you can definitely go live. We all have Pooja's example with us. Bhumanya का example हम सबने देखा है, how well it worked for her. Hi Harsha. So don't stop yourself. If you want, you can speak to me and we'll sort this out. Okay, now I'm coming on to admins. So the first point is admins if you are watching this live session, don't see me as a co-admin or as someone or as a competitor. See me as a business coach. I'm a business coach first, guys. So that's who I am. That's how I want you to recognize me, that I'm a coach. I'm a business coach for you all. And it is completely okay to come to me and understand how to build the community, how to build a close-knit community, because that is how I'm going to help all of you. And and not by sneaking around. And so I did a whole post about it yesterday, you guys know. Okay, so the first point for admins, guys, don't feel threatened from experts. At times what I feel is that we start feeling threatened from the experts कि हमारी audience चली जाएगी, वो लोग सब उनके पेज पे चले जाएंगे, they are not going to need us. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. Nobody can take your audience away. You guys are providing value. You guys are doing great work. People are going to stay on your platform. So don't worry about it. Keep that confidence in you. Keep that confidence in the good work that you guys are doing, and just be happy about it. Just think, how can we, how can it benefit? How can it benefit other people? So Ravinder is asking, hi Asta, please let me know if anything went wrong with my live session. So Ravinder, I messaged you twice. You did not respond. So I wanted to talk to you, and I think I have covered this point also in the video. So आप जब ये live खत्म होएगा तो आप एक बार दोबारा से देखना, and this will be very very helpful for you. Okay, so guys, admins, it is completely okay to keep some conditions. आपके platform के जो भी conditions हैं, it's completely fine if you want to keep them. And that's how we create a decorum also in the group. But the basic thing is that we try to, Jigyansh is saying, Asa auntie looking different today. Thank you, Jigyansh, and happy birthday in advance to both of you. Right? So are you guys ready for the party tomorrow? Okay, so that is how experts, admins, your audience is also going to grow and stick to you in the group. Group में वो कब रहे, एक बहुत बड़ा सा audience हमने इकट्ठा कर लिया, but इतने लोगों को एक साथ रखना, एक जगह पे रखना भी मुश्किल काम है. वो हम कैसे करेंगे? उनका interest peak करके. So ये sessions हमारे लिए, these are very helpful for all of us. So let's try to support these experts and help them in keep conducting these amazing sessions. Okay, then always remind your people to check out the experts page. Experts, उनका अपना जो page है, do give them this message कि आप please go there and check out their page and check out the wonderful work they are doing. Right? Okay, now once again, जैसे मैंने पहले कहा था, experts आप admins के लिए favor नहीं कर रहे, admins similarly आप भी experts के लिए कोई favor नहीं कर रहे. This is we are not separate teams. Admins और experts, we are same team. हम एक team में हैं. So don't think हमने उनके लिए favor किया या उन्होंने हमारे लिए favor किया. जैसे उनको हमारी ज़रूरत है, ऐसे ही our platform also need experts, because experts ही नहीं होंगे तो एक्टिविटीज बहुत कम हो जाएंगी, वीडियोस कहाँ से आएंगी. वी ourselves, एक सिंगल बंदा इतना वीडियो कंटेंट नहीं जनरेट कर सकता कि आप 20-25 हज़ार की एक ऑडियंस को आप बांध के रख सकें. दैट इज वाई एक्सपर्ट्स आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू, एंड वी गो हैंड इन हैंड with each other. Okay, so okay, then when you give visibility, the beauty of visibility is that when you give visibility to someone else, you are getting it back. So it's like smiling. आप किसी को smile pass करते हो ना, वो smile एकदम से वापस आती है. Visibility is like that. किसी और को आप visibility दोगे, वो visibility आपके पास double वापस आएगी. कैसे? Now your question could be, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? So the answer is that जब आप किसी को विजिबिलिटी देते हो, इसका मतलब आप उनको टैग कर रहे हो, आप उनके पेज को टैग कर रहे हो. एंड व्हेन यू डू दैट, उनका पूरा का पूरा सर्कल और एटलीस्ट अ पर्टिकुलर परसेंटेज ऑफ दैट सर्कल, देयर फॉलोअर्स, दे कम टू नो अबाउट यू ऑल्सो. सो दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ टैगिंग. आप दूसरे को टैग कर रहे हो तो उनका सर्कल आप कवर अप इजीली कर सकते हो. सो डोंट हेजिटेट इन गिविंग विजिबिलिटी, डोंट हेजिटेट इन गिविंग शाउट आउट्स. डू इट, जितना ज्यादा कर सकते हो उतना करो. Right, then ऑफ कोर्स शेयर एंड मार्केट अबाउट योर सेशंस एज मच एज पॉसिबल. जितना ज्यादा आप करोगे उतना अच्छा है. इट बिल्ड्स ऑन टू दैट वेट फैक्टर. सो ऑडियंस इज गोइंग टू वेट फॉर इट कि वाओ दिस सेशन इज कमिंग, आई हैव टू वॉच दिस सेशन. सो क्यूरियोसिटी बनती रहती है. सो दैट्स वाई ट्राई एंड गिव ह्यूज visibility and shout outs दो during the session, दो before the session, दो after the session दे दो. try to do it, to try to build on this. ये जो एक interest factor होता है इसको हम build up करते हैं and then we reap on to the benefits also. अगर आप shout outs नहीं दोगे so what is going to happen, आपका session जो है expert ने भी मेहनत किया, आपने भी मेहनत किया, अपना platform दिया, that is going to go waste क्योंकि लोग ही नहीं आए देखने. If people don't come then there is no point of these sessions. So इन्फॉर्म इट टू पीपल. आप उनसे ज़रूर आप उनको बताओ कि गो एंड विजिट देयर पेज एंड दिस एक्सपर्ट इज कमिंग लाइव. Okay, so then be reasonable and fair, guys, in your dealings. At times, people share with me how admins have not been very nice to them, or they just ask them for sponsoring gifts, or उनको shoutouts भी नहीं देते हैं, live sessions नहीं करने देते हैं. Let's not do that. Let's keep it very fair and let's be very reasonable as much as possible. Of course, if you have certain rules, I totally understand that, but try to do it as much as possible. Okay, then be very sure who you are inviting for on your platform for live sessions. So at times it is completely okay to say no to people if you think that their thought process is not in tandem with our thought process, but try to speak to them. Of course I know mistakes happen, मेरे साथ भी होता है कई बारी ऐसे point of view share हो जाते हैं during the live which I probably wouldn't have wanted to be shared via my platform because I'm working hard on something. But if it happens, it's completely fine. Otherwise, just make sure that जो एक्सपर्ट आप लेके आ रहे हो आप उनसे बात करो अच्छे से, उनसे पूछो कि वो क्या इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करने जा रहे हैं. हाय शीतल, हाउ आर यू? थैंक यू पूजा, थैंक यू रितु. Yes, you do, Ritu, you do actually. And in fact, Ritu's best part is that she सबसे पहले I think मैंने जब ये बताया था कि आपका जो people who are in your niche, they are not your competition, they are your friends. I think Ritu ने ये उसी दिन से मान ली थी बात. And she has good friends जो कि उनके competitor हो सकते थे, but no, they all are supporting and rooting for Ritu also. So guys, this is what you should also follow. People in the same profession, they are not our competitors. Only we are our competition. हम सिर्फ अपना competition हम हैं खाली. हमें अपने से बेहतर करना है हर रोज. We don't want to go and compare ourselves with anyone else. And okay, one point I missed, which is don't feel offended, guys. Experts भी और admins भी, let's be polite to each other and let's be very respectful towards each other. Let's not feel offended. Yes, exactly, Pooja, you and Smriti, I think I have taken your name in some other session also, that you should be like this Baker sisters. So exactly like that. So okay guys, these were the points that I had for today's session with me. And if you guys have any confusion, please do not hesitate to speak to me. You can drop in a message. If you want to understand how can you do it for your own business, you want a video marketing strategy developed for your own services and products, then do message me directly and I'm going to try to help you as much as possible. And do send me messages or do share how did you like today's session. If you liked it, please don't forget to share it, like it, and comment on it. Of course I know you have been commenting, all of you have been commenting, but please don't forget to share it. And thank you so much guys, thank you so much for staying with me and giving your time to me. Until we meet next time, all of you take care. Bye bye.